Hi guys, welcome to Southport Honda. Today we've got this fantastic looking Honda CR-V Black Edition. I'm going to show you around the car, show you some of the key features, and for a more personalised video please call us on 01704 500 501 and ask one of our qualified salesmen to give you a video today. Okay. So we've got parking sensors on the front, side step, parking sensors on the rear, also got a reverse camera as well. There's the reg, LG17 YRM. All the wheels have just been refurbished on this car, so they're all in amazing condition. Take you inside now. So because it's the Black Edition, you get the Black Edition leather, manual gear stick, 2 keys, okay guys, so more personalised video, please give us a call today. Thank you, bye now.